This is a brand new 2013 Volkswagen Jetta. It features a 2.5-liter 5-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a locking differential, a sunroof, heated front seats, a built-in iPod integration cable, satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: heated windshield washer fluid, a low tire pressure indicator, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, a passenger side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, halogen headlights, air conditioning, and aluminum wheels. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Hiley Huntsville is located at 6561 University Drive Northwest in Huntsville. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.